name is Navaz Virani from Oslo, Norway, originally from Kenya. Ayurooms went out of the way and got me into Somatheeram the back way. I tried booking directly and it was full. So I came in contact with Alykhan and Alykhan said, Navaz, it's almost impossible, but I will do my best. And he went out of the way and got me into this place, I don't know how. I'm so happy to be here, Ali, that I've lost already 14 kilos the first time I was here. The yoga, they have 3 different stages of classes for new beginners with a lot of explanation, and then you have for the intermediate and for the professionals. I go to the intermediate because I was in the Himalayas a couple of times for my yoga, and here is much better because Himalayas was very cold. Coming from a cold country, I would love to be on the beach and swim, in the middle of the day. It's really, really fantastic to be here in Somatheeram, Kerala, South India. All of South India is just marvelous. It's really good to get rid of all your toxins from your body and create an environment in your body so that you don't get cancer, because I've lost so many friends. I'm 62, I've lost like 5-6 friends in the age group of 40 to 60 because of cancer, and I'm really afraid of getting this disease. So I'm trying to make sure that my body is treated as we treat our cars. We have service on our cars, and this is the service on my body. Food is marvelous, it's fantastic, it's gourmet. I'm a chef myself, a French cuisine, and I run 5 restaurants in Oslo, and that's why I've got all this French fatty food and wine. I come here every second year. I would recommend myself to do it every year because it is an investment. As you do it with your car, you should do it with your body. We'll be back in August, in about 6 months, because I want to continue to lose weight. You have to be very careful with dairy products. Cheese, a lot of cheese and milk is really not good for our body, and red meat is of course not good. So learning the way of living with Ayurveda and eating healthy food is very important so that you don't get all the illnesses of today's modern world.